Hello all our viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Terry and our channel name is Terry the Arenan Kids. Thank you for the support. We are truly grateful. Our channel is growing and we are here to just say thank you so very much to all our subscribers, to all our viewers. So I'm joined in with my daughter. I want her to introduce herself again and to say hello to our viewers.
Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you. So today we will continue with our discussions, just our normal discussions about bonding with your family, bonding with your children, the importance of parents having time to stay with their children at home, allowing them to speak out if they have any issues, so that you are able to assist them. So for all parents, I will just request that you always find time to talk to your kids so that you understand what they're going through. There's a lot of stress in this generation now, and most of the teenagers are losing it because of lack of direction from parents. So for my daughter, I want you to share with your fellow teenagers. What can you advise the teenagers about their life, how to take care of themselves?
All I can say is take care of yourselves. Life out there has challenges, and do not involve yourself into sexual intercourse, because you can do it and you can get pregnant, or you can get HIV and AIDS or other sexually transmitted diseases, or you can get all of them at the same time. So we should abstain from sex.
Yeah, it's very true. Most of the girls are missing their lives because of lack of education. So we want all the teenagers to just focus on what they are doing. If you're in school, focus on your education. There's time for everything. If you indulge in sex when you're still too young, your body's immunity is very low. And you can remember there's a time I did a video on cervical cancer, and I really advised the teenagers not to indulge in sex at a very early age, because they can get HPV virus, and this HPV virus later causes cancer of the cervix. So for parents, if you have a teenager, just let them know that if they indulge in sex at a very early age, they will get they are at risk of getting cervical cancer at a later age, because if they have HPV virus for a longer time in their cervix, it will eventually cause cervical cancer. So the best thing is to abstain, focus until it is the right time. Okay, so parents have time to talk to your kids, and ensure for the young ones, for the young girls, take them for vaccines. There's the HPV vaccines which the girls are getting, and there's a very low turn up. Parents have not understood the reason they should give that vaccine. So teenagers have to just listen to their parents, get good parental guidance, just to ensure that their life is not ruined at an early stage. If you're a teenager and then you get HIV, so just imagine how your life will be. Some people, some teenagers are already HIV positive before they even parents. So you can understand the effects of not abstaining. Okay, so Mora, I have another question for you. Are you ready to answer my question?
Yes.
Or you have a question for me?
No.
You don't have any question? So, do you know anything about breast examination? The importance of doing a breast exam. Have you ever heard of breast examination for all women?
I know you can. Maybe if you want to know maybe if you want to know if you have cancer, you always feel something here, on your
Like
breast. Like a stone.
like a lump. It's like a stone. Yeah.
It's hard.
Yes. So, all women, all ladies, should do a self breast exam every time you're in front of a mirror. Don't just look at how beautiful you are on your face. Do a breast exam. Just palpate your breast all round. Feel for any lumps. If you feel any lump, you should report. Tell your mother. As a teenager, tell your mother, how come I'm feeling a lump on my breast? Because I've seen young people in college who have come with lumps, and they have been diagnosed to have breast cancer. But if you diagnose early, it becomes more, it's easier to manage. So if you palpate your breast and you feel any lump, don't ignore. Don't say it's just there, it's nothing. It's good to ask for advice so that you're checked, and if there's anything, it's dealt with in good time. So parents, remind your teenagers to do a breast exam and be free with them, so that whenever they get anything, they can discuss. So also teenagers, you have to be clean. Ensure you take care of yourselves well. Take a shower well, wear clean inner wears. So monitor your PV discharge, per vaginal discharge. If any time you feel like you have abnormal vaginal discharge, you also need to tell your parent. If you get something smelly from your vagina as discharge, you should be worried. Ask your mother or ask your guardian, like, how come I'm getting this kind of discharge? Is it normal or is it not normal? Because I know teenagers hide a lot of things. They struggle alone because they are not able to open up. So if you have foul smelling vaginal discharge, or it is excessive discharge, when you're a teenager, before your menses, what you've been taught what type of discharge you get from your vagina. So if you get abnormal discharge, if it is smelly, it's a problem. If it is bloody, ask. If you feel itchy, maybe you're itching down there, don't hesitate to ask your parent to take you to hospital so that you are checked. Don't suffer. For now, we have come a long way. So teenagers should be free just to walk in and ask their parents, like, is this normal? Is this not normal? So if we have that culture of openness, we are able to discuss. It becomes very easy. Okay, Mora?
Yes.
What have I said?
You should be open to your parents when you have a problem. Yes.
Don't fear to
ask.
Yeah, I think that is the way to go. Don't fear to ask. So for parents, be friendly, so that the kids are able to open up. Because if you are too tough, they will shy away. Or if they ask and then we punish them for asking, then next time they won't say. And that is how we find our kids not opening up, even if they are harassed out there. If they are sexually abused, they won't share, because maybe we are too tough, or we are very strict, that they feel like if they say, they'll be punished for it. And even sometimes you find like a teenager goes astray. Maybe they get pregnant and they know their parent is it's so harsh, the teenager might decide to take their life. Let me just die before my mother kills me. Yeah, so let's be friendly. Let's avoid that. For teenagers, you can't die because you got pregnant accidentally. Just look for somebody else. If you're not comfortable with your parent, share with somebody else who can advise you on what to do. Okay? Don't kill yourself. Your future is bright. You don't know what the future holds for you. So don't just ruin your life because of a mistake that you have done. Avoid mistakes, but if it happens, don't shy away. Yeah, anything, there's nothing that is too difficult to handle. Even a pregnancy, kids are born and kids are taken care of. Once you have a kid, that kid will grow. Even if you will be affected, but your kid will grow, and you don't know what that kid will be in future. So let's be careful, let's be open, look for good company so that you don't regret you for going astray because of bad company. Be open, look for somebody who you can open up to, a confidant. Yeah, for teenagers, get a confidant. If you trust someone, but don't trust somebody who can mislead you. Also look for somebody who is mature, who can help you. So I think I have teenagers, that's why I'm focusing more on teenagers, because I also want them to be open to me. Share whatever challenges you have. Don't keep it to yourself. You're going to hurt yourself. Some things you can be undergoing, it's not your fault maybe, and you keep quiet. Share so that you get help. Even me, if I have a problem now, I have to look for somebody to share. It's tough. The economy is tough. There's a lot of stress. So if I'm facing some challenges and maybe financial challenges, and I keep it to myself, I don't share, I don't look for advice from other people, I can go crazy. People are really visiting psychologists and psychiatrists because of stress. Don't allow yourself to undergo stress, just share. Let people help you with the ideas on how to manipulate, to maneuver, how to maneuver in the challenges that you have. So don't be shy. Sharing sometimes helps. Being open helps. If you do not have, you don't have. Don't pretend that you are good and you are not, because you will break up. You'll have mental breakup. So thank you to all our viewers for viewing our videos, for being there for us. We're really truly grateful for the support. And for now, I will let my daughter give a parting shot, and then we end the video.
Okay, thank you for joining us today, and hope what we have discussed, it has been a lesson to one of the teenagers out there watching us. Yeah, so let's just be open to our parents. Let's take care of ourselves as girls and boys. Yeah, life out there is not that tough that you cannot share. There's some things you can just share. Yes, it's embarrassing, but it's better to be helped than to keep it and get hurt by yourself. Yes.
True. Thank you so much, Mara. I can see you've really understood the advice I was advising you, plus the other teenagers out there. So for me, I will say thank you and bye-bye.